Assalamu alaikum students. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to your BSS online video class. So I'm your English language teacher Sharmi Rahman, Campus 1, Standard 6. So let us start the class. Today's topic is on the previous chapter which we started. Was on chapter 13, kinds of sentences, and today's part is part 4. So we're going to discuss some more thing in this chapter. So we were discussing about the transformation, right? So today we're going to learn the transformation to assertive to exclamatory sentence. So in this part we are going to learn how to convert assertive sentences to exclamatory, and also we are going to learn about the exchange also, the exclamatory to assertive as well. So let's start with assertive to exclamatory first. Before starting with the rules, I want you to memorize the short methods of it. The first one, as you can see, when you will see in assertive sentence, the sentence, first what you have to do, you have to move from what? Move from the beginning till the helping verb. So in a normal statement type of sentences, we need to move some of the parts. That means from the beginning till the helping verb. We know what are the helping verbs, right? So M's are the helping verbs, and we need to do what? We need to set the part at the end of the sentence in the exclamatory sentence, okay? And these are the helping verbs, as we know, M's are, etc. So in the next part, what we have to do is, second task is remove. Remove what? If an assertive sentence there's very, so, extremely, or greatly, this type of words, so we need to remove them in exclamatory sentence, okay? Then if in that assertive sentence we have article in there like a or an, in exclamatory we need to put what at the beginning. If there is article, we will do what? We will use what at the beginning. And if there is no article, then what we will do? We will use how. So if there is an article, we will use what, and if there is no article, we will use how. And at the end, after finishing all the things, we are going to use the punctuation mark, which is exclamatory marks, okay? So this is a short method to remember when we are converting assertive to exclamatory sentence, okay? So let's start with the rules. So here I'm going to define, or will show you that how we are going to converting the sentences, okay? So let's start. First one, as I told you about, a or an, so article, and if there is any degree, exchange words like very, great, fine, what we need to do is, we need to add first what. Okay, so if we find the word a or an before very or great in assertive sentence, we will start exclamatory sentence with the word what. We will write exclamatory sentence with following this structure. Let's see the structure. What plus a or an, that's our article, and then we will place the adjective, then subject plus verb, then the exclamatory mark. Let's see, for example, assertive sentence, it is a very interesting storybook. So if we make it exclamatory sentence, what it look like? What an interesting storybook it is. So what we did, we started with the begin, and we end up with the helping verb, so it is, so we are placing it at the end, as you can see, it is, okay? And then we started with what? Why? Because there was an article, so we added what at the beginning. So as interesting, so we are placing an here, so what an interesting storybook it is, then placing exclamatory mark at the end. So this way we will do the rest. See another example. It is a fine morning. So what will be the answer? What a fine morning it is. Okay, you got my point. Then next, see another rule for it. If there is no article, so there is no article if there is only starting with like a very, great, fine, these are the exchange words. So what we will do, we will place how at the beginning. Let's see. So as you can see, if we find the word very or great without a or an, we will place how, right? See the structure then. How plus adjective plus subject plus verb. See, for example, the flower was very nice. So what will be the answer? How nice the flower was. So there is no article here, so we put how here and then how nice the flower was. Okay, next one. The morning was very cool yesterday. How cool the morning yesterday was. So this way we will convert assertive to exclamatory sentence. Now we will see again the repeated one, the replacement of exclamatory to assertive. Now we will exchange exclamatory to assertive. So same way we did in assertive to exclamatory, we will reverse the same thing. Like how, what, we will replace it by very before adjective. If there is an adjective, we will write very, and if there is a noun, then we will write great before noun. For example, how fortunate you are. So what we will do, we will write the subject and the helping verb at the beginning, you are, and we will add very because fortunate is our adjective. So we will write you are very fortunate, full stop. And we will end up the assertive sentence, of course, with a period, right? But that means a full stop. Another one, what a fool you are. So as you know that fool is a noun, so we will place great here. So you are a great fool. Let's see another rule. Sometimes the subject and verb may be eclipsed. That means there won't be any subject and a verb. So what will be the example then? See, what a beautiful scenery. So there is any subject, no verb. So what we will do, we will add here it is. Okay, so we will say it is a very beautiful scenery. Okay, see the next one, what a pity. So as we know that pity is, there is no accurate verb or subject. So what we will do, we will do the same. It is a great pity. Instead of very, we will use great here. Okay, next one, hooray, bravo, replaced by it is a matter of joy that. We will use this sentence as this few phrase instead of hooray or bravo, which express joy. So it is a matter of joy that. For example, hooray, we have won the game. So what will be its assertive form? It is a matter of joy that we have won the game. As you know that we are replacing hooray and bravo here. Next, what we have? Alas. So we know that we show this for sorrow. So we will replace it by it is a matter of sorrow or grief that. Okay, sorrow or grief that. Let's see, for example, alas, he has failed. It is a matter of sorrow that he has failed. Full stop. Okay. Next, what we have? This is the last one. Had or were or if or would that. At the outset, we will replace it by I wish plus subject again plus were or had, whatever will be given in the sentence, and then rest of the part. Let's see, for example, had I wings of a bird. Then what we will do, we will add I wish and then I subject, had where or had, the had was given here, so we are writing I wish I had the wings of a bird. The same goes to the examples, the rest of the example. As you can see, I'm not repeating it because you are going to see by yourself, and what you need to do is you need to practice more and more so that you can learn it, and I hope it will be easier for you now to understand how to convert exclamatory to assertive or assertive to exclamatory. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.